Hey guys, good morning. Back in the dungeon. Let's do some stretches this morning. A little foam rolling. So personally, I like to roll out the middle of my lower back first. Spinal erectors, lower back muscles, stabilizers. Go nice and slow. If you have any knots, you can focus on your knots. Any irregularities, bumps, sometimes muscles, your back might not be perfectly flat. You want to roll it nice and flat. At least that's what I like to do. It helps me. Then I do one glute at a time. You can do this for as long as you like. You'll notice each time you go a little deeper, you'll start to feel your muscles sort of smooth out, roll into shape, bend, conform. When they're real tight, you got to break them up. Break up the tissue. Do that from a side angle. So again, this is lower back. You could do your upper back too. Up by your shoulder blades. I'm gonna hold right there for a second. Oh, nice and slow. Oh, right there. Oh. Oh, take a breath, take a breather. It can get intense. So again, let's start at the glutes. I'm gonna try a little quad. Try to do this quad. By quad, I mean quadricep. Okay. Let's get that upper back one more time. Start down in the lower back. Roll it a little bit farther out. I think this can really help you guys. Very cheap, very inexpensive. So this is sort of a softer one. I prefer the black ones, are foam, are much denser. I've also seen they make plastic wheel looking ones with rubber on the outside. Those are they'll get in real deep. Some have bumps on them, knobs, different shapes. You'll see all different style foam rollers. Just pick one that you like. I want it right there. hope that helps you guys. Let me know in the comments how you guys like to foam roll. What's your favorite part of the body? Some people do the upper parts of the quads. You could do your calves. Sure, you could get creative, try to do your shoulders. Some people use a lacrosse ball, single really heavy plastic rubber ball. That'll really get into a single point if you have a knot. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.